Alright, so taking a look at the homework on page 626. Let's do this here. So number 51 says we have 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Alright, and just looking at this for number 1, 7, 9, or let's see here, 1, 4, 7, 10, and 13. It looks like we're going up by 3 each time. So we can make a sequence, an arithmetic sequence where it's 3n, and then we'd have to subtract 2. For number 52, or what are we on? We're doing the odds, 53. We have 0, 3, 8, 15, and 24. Okay, well, doesn't look arithmetic. We're going up by 3, and then 5, and then something else. So let's see if maybe we could square something. Well, I know it looks like 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So it looks like we're squaring whatever term it is and then subtracting 1. For 55, 55 says 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. That's kind of cool. Alright, so on top, looks like we're going up by 1 each time, so it's an arithmetic sequence. We'll say n plus 1. And in the denominator, it looks like we are also going up by 1 each time, but we're starting 2 more. Alright, so that's number 55. 57. We have 1/2, negative 1/4, 1/8, and negative 1/16. Alright, so we definitely have an oscillating negative 1. Oops, say negative 1 to the n minus 1 power because we're starting positive. You could say n minus 1, you could say n plus 1, it doesn't matter. And then on the bottom, those are just powers of 2. For 59, we have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus, let's see, 1 plus 1 over 1, and then it's 1 plus 1 over 2, and then 1 plus 1 over 3. Alright, so what this looks like it is we're starting with 1, and then it's going to be 1 over n. It's pretty easy. And 61. For 61, it says we have 1, 1/2, 1/6, 1/24, and that just keeps continuing. So the top number looks like it's going to be 1. The bottom, no, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 2. But I see this pattern where it's like 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 2 times 3, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and that's factorial. All right, so that was in the lesson. Hopefully you're picking up on that. For number 65, we're trying to come up with a function. A sub 1 is 6, and a sub k plus 1 is the previous term plus 2. And while I'm writing this down, we'll do 67 also. For 67, it says a sub 1 is 81, and a sub k plus 1 is 1/3 ak. Alright, so we have to write the first 5 terms. First term here is 81, we're going to go 5. And to get the next term, we're taking the previous and we add 2 to it. So it looks like our function rule would be we're adding 2. So it's an arithmetic, 2n. plus 4. Looks like that'll get the job done. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. And let's do 67. So we're taking 1/3 of the previous term. So 81 divided by 3 is 27. Divided by 3 is 9, 3, and then 1. So to get our function rule for this, looks like we're dividing by 3, but if we're starting with 81, we're dividing by 3 to whatever power that is. We're dividing by powers of 3, right? So 3 to the first, but what do we have to start with? 81 divided by 3 wouldn't work. I mean, even if we did 81 and minus 1, 81 divided by 3 to the 0 would be 81. 81 divided by 3 to the 2 minus 1. Yeah, I think that would work. That would be fine. I think in the back of the book, instead of having 3 to the n minus 1 power, they chose to use 3 to the n and make the top power 243. But either one of these is fine. All right, so that's your homework. Have a nice day.